Hi, welcome back. Yes, I know that my hair is wet. What up, beautiful? You looking gorgeous today. So I've been kind of stressed out lately and my hair is wet. While it's drying, I thought I'll follow a Bob Ross tutorial because why not? I'm terrible at art, but I thought it'd be fun, right? So I just picked a random painting. Actually, let me change my shirt because this is my interview shirt. Hold up. Okay, that's better. I don't care if this gets messed up. All right, so I have my paint here. I have some brushes, a plate. I don't have an easel, but I have a wall where I can just hold it. Let's get started. I got some stuff on it.
Yeah, it was late. Let's start out and have run all the colors across the screen.
Okay.
Paint along with us.
I got some random colors. I don't got those.
Let me show you what I've got up here. Got an 18 by 24 inch pre-stretched double prime canvas, and I've covered the entire canvas with a very thin coat of liquid white. So it's
a liquid white. So I got some white. I'm gonna add some water to it, make it liquid. I don't know. I really want to do a good job. I don't know. It's gonna take forever. Am I an artist yet? Alright, I got my thin coat of white. What's next?
It's wet and slick and we're all ready to go.
It's wet and slick.
So let's just take an old 2-inch brush and start off here and have a little fun. I'll start with a little touch of the bright red, a little yellow ochre, maybe a little cat yellow, all mixed together. Something like so. Not a lot of paint, just a little. And let's go up in here and very lightly chip.
Okay. That looks like oranges. Does it look like this color? Let me just follow what he said. So he had red, some yellow, and what? It's like a brown. It was like this color brown. So red, yellow, and this color brown. I feel like I should just get the orange because I do have like, I have this orange and I have like this brownish color. I feel like that's what it looks like, but I'm just gonna follow what he says and mix these together and hope that it doesn't look ugly. If it looks ugly, I'm just gonna use the regular orange. Oh, child, it's gonna be messy. This. Ew. I look like that. I bought this paint like last year. I don't even remember. All right. I don't know what I'm doing.
Sort of an orangey yellowish color.
He going so fast. He's like. Why my sky look like a ketchup packet? If you're an artist, I'm sorry you have to see this. Okay, I'm not mad at this. This is what I have so far. All right. I'm sorry if my chair is squeaky.
Mix with the liquid white that's already on the canvas and get lighter and lighter as you work down. And that's really about all there was to making the sky in that little painting. Just something like so. There we are. Couldn't be any simpler, could it?
I mean, okay.
All there is. Okay, now that.
His looks so much less darker than. All right, Erin, let me stop. I want to follow a Bob Ross tutorial, not recreate a Bob Ross tutorial. I'm trying to relax. Woosah. I just started. Okay.
Okay, let's have some fun.
Let's have some
Today
fun.
I'm going to make a big pile of brown using sap green and alizarin crimson in about equal parts. About equal parts. The two together make a gorgeous, gorgeous brown.
So he used red. His red looks like a pinkish red though.
Sap green and alizarin crimson in about equal.
Okay, so he used green and like a pinkish red. So like this, or should I use this one? I don't know. Like, I already have brown, so I'm following it. So he took his green and made a dirty brown. I'm gonna make the brown down here. Okay, it's trying to look dirty. It needs more red. I took too much green. Okay, you see that? That's the brown I'm trying to make. It looks like, let me circle it. I can't do X's like he does. Let me circle it. I did it! Cool. See how proud I just got? Alright, so I'm just using the same old dirty brush.
A little bit of color, this brown color.
A little bit of brown.
Into the bristles. And you just decide basically where you want to start, and off you go.
And off you go. He's such a nice guy. What do you think?
You decided where the water is going to be. There's a little bit of water here where the bridge goes across. We don't see a great deal.
There's water in this?
That's all there is to it. Okay, let's take our liner brush. Old number 2 script.
Wait, bruh. Let me bring my trees down a little bit. Okay, I'm not mad at that so far. Okay, Bob, what you doing?
Liner. We'll take
My bad,
a little
Mr.
bit of
Ross.
that same brown color that we made from the crimson and the sap green. Mix the paint here with paint thinner until it's very thin. Very, very thin. And then we'll go up here and you just sort of look around and pick out places you think there would be little trunks and stems and limbs and all those things Peapod and all my little friends play on out here.
All his little friends. Okay, so he used a thin brush. I don't got no paint thinner. Every time I try, it's like, it's blending it. So instead, I'm going to take this very dark brown and see if I can draw the lines. I want the lines to show. So let's see if I can draw the lines on. Okay, can you see it? It's right there. It's thick. I have a thick tree trunk this time.
Brush is working pretty good. We'll go right on back to it. I'm gonna take the same brush and begin tapping it into the.
Sir, let me finish my trunks first, please. I'm saying like they look good. Can you see? I think they look. Back to you were saying.
Yellows and the red, the bright red. And just go around, try them all. That way you're loading all kinds of different colors right into the bristles of the brush.
Okay.
Okay, now let's just sort of test it. See if it's bright enough. If it's the color we're looking for, maybe I'll add more yellow. There we go. Something about like so. And then with that,
Oh, he's doing that to his trees. So what Mr. Ross is doing is he's adding like yellow and orange to the top of the trees. You know when trees start to change colors? That's like my favorite part of fall. Like it just looks so pretty. Okay, okay. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm getting happy. It's like I'm stressed and I'm not stressed at the same time. What do you think? What do you think? I'm gonna stop because I don't want to overdo it. It looks like a giant red spot right there. All right.
Okay. Now, maybe, yep, this little double right here. I've got several whole 2-inch brushes going. We'll take a little black and add it to that brown. I want a darker color, stronger color. You just tap a little right into the brush. And maybe right in here, we'll put a few little trees and bushes that are a little closer, a little darker, just to help push everything back.
I never understood like how artists make background colors. And I always wondered how. Y'all see my plate so far? I feel like I need another plate.
Down, straight down.
Straight down.
It's important that it goes straight down.
Okay, now I clean my brush a little too much. Do a little bit of it.
We don't care where it goes here. Don't worry about it.
Try not to worry.
Don't worry about it.
Try not to.
As you know, we don't make mistakes. We just have happy accidents in our world.
We don't make mistakes. We just have happy accidents in our world.
Did you hear that? We don't make mistakes. We just have happy accidents. I need that as a poster somewhere. That was the most relaxing advice I've ever gotten in a while. We don't make mistakes. We have really happy black accidents. So this is what I'm doing. Because y'all can't see except it's on my lap. Let me raise it up higher so you can see. I feel like if Bob Ross were to watch all the people following Bob Ross tutorials, I feel like he would have the most nicest things to say. Like he wouldn't say, oh, that's terrible. Like he might give like constructive criticism, but I feel like he'd be extra nice. Now that mine is significantly darker than his, let's see what we'll do next.
A roll of paint. Little roll of paint. You just sort of play around with the color till you find what you're looking for. Just put the indications in there. A few little things.
Alright you guys, this is the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below. That was kind of hard but oddly relaxing, so I might try this again some other time. But this is my painting. Let me know how I did. I'm no artist, so I know it looks pretty bad. My water looks a little polluted, but give you guys a close-up. So yeah, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.